Hi everyone! So today we're going to be talking about some new letter sounds. So let's get started. So first, this is an igloo. It starts with that short I sound. And an I makes that short I sound. So when there's only one vowel and it's followed by a consonant, the vowel usually stands for the short vowel sound. So for instance, this I will make an I sound when it's followed by a consonant. Okay? Next, we have a fish, and fish starts with that F sound. So F, fish. Next, we have an R for raccoon. Raccoon starts with that R sound. So raccoon, R. Great job. Now this one's a little bit tricky. So this is a zebra. Starts with that Z sound like a Z. Zebra, Z, Z. But the letter S can also make the Z sound. So, for instance, the letter S can also stand for the Z sound if it's at the end of a word. So, is I-S. Okay, good job, guys. Now we're going to go ahead and blend these sounds to make words. So let's look at this. Our first word. So, this is an F, and it makes the F sound. This is an I, and since it's in the middle of the word, followed by a consonant, which is every other letter that's not a vowel, it makes the short I sound. And this is an N that makes the N sound. So we have F, I, N. Let's blend some together. Fi, N. Fin. Fin. Great job, guys. Let's try a different one. Now we have okay. So this is an R and it makes the sound. And once again we have this I followed by a consonant, so it makes the short I sound. Then we have a P that makes the P sound. So let's blend this together. I, P. Blend this together. Ip. Rip. Whole thing. Rip. Rip. Good job. Let's do one more. This one's going to be a little bit tricky. Okay? So here's an I, and since it's followed by a consonant, it makes the short I sound. Now this is an S, but remember, since it's at the end of the word, it's going to sound like a Z and make the Z sound. So we have is, right? Blend them together. Is. Great job, guys.